Welcome back, curious minds. This is the Summary Self, where books breathe, ideas blossom, and wisdom is just a page away. Today, we dive into a book that may just change the way you think forever. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Ever felt stuck in a loop? Knowing exactly what you should be doing, but just not doing it. You're not alone. You're not lazy. Your system is broken. If I told you that massive transformation doesn't come from big breakthroughs, but from tiny, almost invisible shifts you make every single day. Also, here's the real question. Are your habits building your future or slowly destroying it? Let's find out. This is Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that has helped millions of people around the world take control of their lives through the power of small, consistent habits. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to break it down into simple, practical strategies you can start using today. Ready? Let's jump in. Let's start with the big idea. Small improvements made consistently lead to extraordinary results. Most people think success comes from massive action, but the truth, getting just 1% better every day leads to being 37 times better by the end of the year. Let that sink in. Success is not a goal, it's a process. It's a snowball. It starts small, then builds, then becomes unstoppable. You don't notice the change at first, and one day people call it an overnight success, but it wasn't. It was the result of tiny, consistent actions. So ask yourself, what's one tiny habit you could start today that feels so small you can't say no? Pause the video for 10 seconds and think about it. Now, let's talk about how to actually make habits stick. James Clear gives us 4 powerful rules. Make it obvious. Make it attractive. Make it easy. Make it satisfying. Let's say you want to read more. Make it obvious. Put the book on your pillow. Make it attractive. Read with your favorite tea. Make it easy. Just 1 page a day. Make it satisfying. Cross it off a tracker. Instant win. Simple, right? So here's a quick question. Name the habit. What habit do you want to build, and how can you apply one of those 4 rules to make it effortless? Try saying it out loud right now. Here's another game changer. Habit stacking. Instead of finding time for new habits, you link them to habits you already have. The formula. After I current habit, I will new habit. Example. After brushing my teeth, I'll stretch for 60 seconds. After my morning coffee, I'll review my goals. Think of one habit you already do daily. Now stack a new habit to it. Got it? After I log off work, I'll walk for 5 minutes. This works because your brain already trusts the pattern. You're just adding to it. Take a moment. Quick reminder. If you're finding this helpful, take a second to like this video and subscribe. It tells YouTube this is quality content and helps us keep bringing you more life-changing ideas. Here is something most people overlook. Your environment shapes your habits more than your motivation ever will. Want to drink more water? Keep a full bottle at your desk? Want to scroll less? Put your phone in another room? Want to eat healthier? Keep fruit visible and junk food out of sight. It's not about self-control, it's about smart design. When your environment supports your goals, success becomes automatic. Here's a quick exercise. Look around the space you're in right now. What's one thing you can change today to support a habit you want to build? All right, let's bring it all together. Here's your Atomic Habits action plan. Step 1. Choose just one habit you want to build. Step 2. Make it obvious. Use a clear cue. Step 3. Stack it onto an existing habit. Step 4. Keep it simple. Use the 2-minute rule. Step 5. Make it satisfying. Celebrate small wins. Try this for just 3 days. Not 30, not 90, just 3. Write it down. Put it on your wall. Remind yourself daily and watch the momentum build. Here's the most important message from Atomic Habits. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So if you want different results, you need different systems. Built one small habit at a time. Tiny changes lead to remarkable results. So here's your challenge. What is one small habit you're going to start today? Right now, after watching this. Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're building. And if you're serious about building a better future through better habits, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. We've got more practical, powerful summaries coming your way. Up next, watch our summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the perfect mindset upgrade to pair with this one. Thanks for watching. You've got this.